One thing I'm definitely gonna miss is all of the people here. My name is Akshar Patel. I'm studying information science at UNC Chapel Hill. And the reason why we're able to do so much in a short amount of time was because of what we like to call unity, sump that we all had on site. Every time we walk onto site, everybody's smiling, everybody's having a good time. It's just a place where we were able to come and really just put everything away in our lives and just give our all to something that's so much bigger than us. So in a world where we all are chasing happiness, if you come to Akshardham, this is a place where you'll find your own inner peace. And I think that's what I kind of have gained from my experience here. I know before I came here, I didn't feel that fulfilled. I wasn't really connected with my culture, and I was kind of drifting away from my religion. But when I decided to come here just to visit for a day, I fell in love with the place. And I saw everybody volunteering, and I thought that I should be here volunteering. I shouldn't be here just visiting. And everything here is completely stress-free. It's all stress-free because we're all here doing the same thing together.